Hello everybody, my name is Graciela Guerra. In this video, I'm going to explain future time clauses. In this video, I'm going to explain this very important topic and I'll give you to use some examples and some exercise. Are you ready, guys? What is future time clauses? Future time clauses talk about when a future event will happen and use future time clauses to show the time relationship between two future events. What are the two future events? Main clauses and time clauses. Main clauses. The verb in the main clause is often in the future. Remember, when you talk about the future, you need to use the auxiliary will or be going to. But before that, I'm going to explain what is a clauses. A clauses is very important in English. Clauses has a subject and a verb. Okay? Remember this. I'm going to explain some sentences about main clauses. Remember the subject is a clauses and will because I'm going to talk about the future. The verb is a part of the clause, the base for, and the other information. So listen these sentences. We will buy a house. We won't quit his job. We are going to travel. Time clause. The verb in the time clauses is often in the present. But teacher, in main clauses I'm going to talk about the future, but in time clauses I'm going to the present. Yes, it's like a crazy, but the time most we use in time clauses is in present. So listen the sentences. The time word. The time word you use when, as soon as, after, before, until, and while. After that, I explain this, okay? So, the time word, the subject, remember, is a clause. The verb, in this case, is in present. Don't forget that. And other information. And I give you to you the example, the main clause. Listen these sentences. Before we have a baby, we will buy a house. Until he wins the lottery, he won't quit his job. After we retire, we are going to travel. Do you see the difference? Guys, please be careful with this. Do not use be going to or will in a future time clause. Remember, you need to use that only in main clause. That is an important rule, okay? Be careful. So, I give it to you this example. When I save enough money, I'm going to buy a car. Clause order 1. The time clause can come at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Students ask me, teacher, but the time clause, it's I confuse it because when I see the sentences, I see the difference because the first one is time clause and second one is a main clause. Or the first one is time clause and the second one is the main clause. So students is the same, the meaning is the same. Okay, so listen to these examples. I will eat dinner when I finish my homework. Look at that, when I finish my homework. When, because it's a time word, it's a time clause. And I talk about the present. And listen, when you use a time clause, use a comma. Only when the time clause begins the sentences. Listen this example. Before we have a baby, comma, we'll buy a bigger house. Look at these examples, okay? So, I will feel more relaxed after I finish my project. Do you see? The first one, main clauses, because I'm talking about the future. And the last one is time clauses, because I use the time that is after, and after that I talk about in the present. Number 2, When I finish the dishes, I will help you with your homework. Do you see? The time clauses in the first sentence is when. The second one is the main clauses because I'm talking about the future. Listen the third one. While I wait for the bus, I will drink my coffee. The first one, time clauses, because I use the conjunction while, right? And the main clause is future, because I will. The next one, I won't get married until I met the right person. I won't, remember that negative of will is won't, so I'm talking about the future, main clauses. And the time clause is until I meet the right person, because until is the conjunction or is the word time, okay? So guys, I need to listen this because I'm going to explain the time expressions, or you can say conjunctions when use when, after, not, until, as soon as. Remember, the future time clauses is about when you talk about a future event will happen, and that one when, after, not, until, as soon as, you use introduce the first events. For example, I will feel more relaxed. Remember, it's a future event. After I finish my project, because I'm going because this event will happen. Okay? So, guys, I give you to use some exercise. Are you ready? Okay. Put the verbs in the correct sentences. Add commas where necessary. I give you to you this example. After he, I have the verb graduate. He goes, it's a verb, to law school. So, after he graduates. If you see, after is the time expression. And remember, you use a main clause at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Is the same because not change the meaning. So, listen. After he graduates, he will go to law school. Okay? So, I give you to you this exercise and you try to do it, okay? And don't worry if you can. Remember, learning is a part of the process. First one, they own, I have the verb, a house by the time they be married. Thinking about this exercise, I give it to you some seconds. Exactly. The answer is they will own a house by the time they are married. Why? Because the first ones I talking about the future. That is a yes. That is a yes. Okay, that is a main clause. Okay. Remember, when you talk about the present, you talk about that time clause. Sorry. Number 2, she, I have the verb not start, her own business until she, the verb gets, more experience. I give you to you some seconds. Exactly. The answer is she won't start her own business until she gets more experience. Why? Because the first one is I going to talk about the future, so that is the main clauses. And next one is the time clause because we're going to talk about the present and I use the time expression until. That's good, guys. Very good. Number 3. Okay. As soon as he becomes, this is the verb, manager, he takes, it's a verb, a vacation. I give you to you some seconds. Good. The answer is this. As soon as he becomes manager, he's going to take a vacation. So, applause for her, applause for him, applause for us, okay? Congratulations, everybody. Time expression 2. Remember, the first ones I I'm sorry, I explained it, the first event. So in this one, the time expression to you use a before, until, by the time. That is to introduce the second event. Remember, when you talk as future time clauses, talk about when a future event will happen. So this is an example. Before he gets married, I'm sorry, but I'm not really what is the problem. I'm really sorry. He will find a good job. I repeat it. Before he gets married, he will find a good job. If you see, I'm going to talk about a future event will happen. I give you to use some exercise more. So, combine the sentences using the time word provided. In each pair, A is the first event. I give you to you this example. A. The children will go to the college. B. She will go back to school. So the answer, because here, if you see, I have the as soon as, that is the time expression. So as soon as the children go to the college, she will go back to school. So in this case, in this opportunity, you need to give this exercise. I give it to you some seconds and go ahead. Very good, guys. I need to read this exercise. Number 2, letter A is you will finish your exams. Letter B is we will not. It's negative celebrity. And I have the time expression until. So the answer is good. We won't celebrate it until you finish exams. Class, very good. Number 2, letter A. My brother will buy a new suit. And B, he will go on an interview. The expression time is before. So, my brother will buy a new suit before he goes on an interview. Very, very good, guys. So, guys, it was a pleasure to have explained this topic. I hope it has helped you. And so, thank you so much for watching my video. I see you in the next video. Bye. Remember, my name is Graciela Guerra.